In the grand orchestra of the cosmos, where does our humble abode, the Earth, find its place? Sit back and marvel as we embark on a cosmic journey to find our home in the Milky Way galaxy. Our story begins in a galaxy we call home, the Milky Way. It's an immense cosmic entity, a spiral galaxy that stretches approximately 100,000 light-years across. Imagine a beam of light traveling at a staggering speed of about 186,000 miles per second would still require 100,000 years to traverse the breadth of our galaxy. That's the scale we're dealing with. So where in this colossal expanse do we find ourselves? Our solar system, with our dear Earth, resides in one of the outer arms of the Milky Way, specifically the Orion Cygnus arm. We're far from the bustling downtown of our galaxy, about 26,000 light-years away from the galactic center. But what makes the Milky Way so fascinating? For one, it's a galaxy teeming with stars. About 200 billion of them, each potentially hosting planets of their own. Some of these stars outshine our own sun, others dwarf it in size, and yet each one is an integral part of the cosmic tapestry that is our galaxy. Moreover, the Milky Way is a spinning entity. It takes our solar system about 230 million years to complete a single galactic year, a full orbit around the center of the Milky Way. The last time we were at this position in our galactic journey, dinosaurs roamed the Earth. And at the heart of our galaxy, a supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A*, 4 million times the mass of our Sun. This colossal cosmic entity, invisible yet powerful, shapes the galaxy with its immense gravitational pull. Yet for all its grandeur and complexity, the Milky Way is but one among billions of galaxies in the universe. It's part of a local group of galaxies that includes Andromeda, our closest spiral neighbor, and several smaller galaxies. In this grand cosmic dance, our Milky Way is not a static entity. It's on a collision course with Andromeda. But fear not, this celestial collision won't occur for another 4 billion years. In summary, our home, the Earth, resides in the Orion Cygnus arm of the Milky Way, a galaxy brimming with stars and structured around a supermassive black hole. We're part of a larger cosmic dance, with galaxies spinning, merging, and constantly in motion. In the grand scheme of things, we're both infinitesimally small and yet intrinsically connected to the cosmos. The Milky Way, our cosmic home, is a testament to the grandeur of the universe, a beacon reminding us of our place in the cosmos. As we gaze at the night sky, let us remember our humble abode in the Milky Way, a tiny speck in the cosmic sea, yet a part of the grand narrative of the universe.